An association that promotes friendship between Zambia and China said on Wednesday that China's development model is inspiring for developing countries still struggling with development. Frederick Mutesa, the Secretary General of the Zambia-China Friendship Association, said China's rise to become the second largest economy in the world was a shining example of what good leadership, good organization, and hard work could achieve.
China shared the same essential features of a third world country or a developing country. But we have seen that the country has achieved remarkable progress in terms of scientific, technological, social, cultural, and political stability over the years. China has gone ahead of the Sustainable Development Goals target of 2030 to eradicate poverty. It has lifted 100 million people out of extreme poverty. That is a remarkable achievement by global standards in such a short period of time. So there are a lot of lessons that we can learn from China. Among them, the importance of a country having a long-term vision of where they would like to go. Right now, they are emphasizing modernization.
Mutesa is also a development expert and a former lecturer in the Department of Development Studies at the University of Zambia. He commended China for having a progressive foreign policy that offers developing countries like Zambia to engage differently.
We have seen a number of development initiatives such as the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, which brings together China and African countries to explore areas of cooperation. We have also seen the Belt and Road Initiative. There is also the Global Security Initiative. So these are helping to reform the international or the global order in a way that offers developing countries like Zambia an opportunity to engage differently